Welcome aspirants. Affairs Cloud is offering you Current Affairs paid PDF plan. As we all know, current affairs plays a very vital role in most competitive exams, but it is often underappreciated among many aspirants. Here at Affairs Cloud, we are giving our best to provide you complete current affairs content in all topics, which will help you aspirants to stay updated and clear the general awareness section in all competitive exams like banking, staff selection commission, railways, insurance, state and union public service commissions, and etc. Our efficient team at Affairs Cloud has been working constantly to present you the best current affairs PDF. So here we have started this subscription plan in order to elevate ourselves to lead. We are proud to inform you that Affairs Cloud has so far been trusted by 36 million aspirants, and we have been providing you valuable content since 2014. We would like to thank you for your continued support. Now, let's take a look at the current affairs plan features. We are offering you a total of 90 current affairs notes in PDF format per month, which is the same content in multiple different formats. Now, these PDFs are suitable for many exams as mentioned above, for example, banking, staff selection commission, and etc. Also, we are providing you this PDF in both the languages of English as well as Hindi for those aspirants for whom English is not a very proficient language. The plan that we offer currently includes date-wise PDF, weekly PDF, as well as monthly PDF. So we are offering it in 3 different time formats, and this comes in content as well as question and answer format. So we are offering date-wise, weekly and monthly in both content as well as question and answer format, along with few other special PDFs such as pocket PDF, Hindi PDF, topic-wise PDF, and a very important PDF we offer, which is current banking awareness PDF. Now we will take a detailed look at all these PDFs below in the frequently asked questions sections. Also, we have given below 100% genuine testimonials, so please make sure you take a look at them before proceeding with your purchase. These ebooks that we offer are in portable document format, that is PDF format as mentioned above, and this PDF that we offer supports printing out as well as highlighting within the PDF, so that the aspirants have easy noting down within the PDF. Now the plan that we offer comes under a one-time payment and lifetime validity scheme, which offers you unlimited downloads, and also we guarantee you customer support. Now I kindly request you that you read the frequently asked questions sections and trustworthy testimonials before proceeding with your purchase. Here, just to show you a sample testimonial from our dear aspirant Mr. Abhijit Mishra. He has cleared the IBPS Clerk Mains examination using Affairs Cloud content. He has obtained 36.25 marks in the general knowledge section, which is a very good mark for that section. So we would like to thank you, Abhijit Mishra, and congratulate you on getting the job. Hope you lead the country. Also, another point that we would like to mention proudly is that out of the IBPS Clerk Mains exam, which was conducted in the year of 2020, 90% of the questions that were asked in the exam were covered by Affairs Cloud. Now moving on to the frequently asked questions section. So first, let's take a look at what is in the Current Affairs 2020 plan. Now the Current Affairs 2020 plan offers, as mentioned above, date-wise, weekly and monthly PDF. Now the complete details of all PDF types have been given below. Let me read it out for you. Let me explain it for you. Now the daily PDF, that is date-wise PDF, is offered in both content as well as question and answer format. The current affairs content with question and answer and date-wise will be updated every day to the paid subscribers drive, and this daily PDF is ideally suited for those aspirants who are in the initial stages of preparation and who want a good grasp and solid foundation of daily current affairs knowledge. Given below, these blue links contain the sample PDF, so please make sure you take a look at the sample PDFs before proceeding. The weekly PDF is another format that we offer, which will be sent as short news at the end of each week. Now some aspirants may not find enough time to completely utilize the daily format version, and hence this weekly PDF is intended to cater to such aspirants. Now the compilation of the previous week's important current affairs in one PDF makes it easy and time efficient for those aspirants in order to stay updated even on a tight time schedule. Here also we have offered a sample PDF. Please take a look at it. The third format that we offer is the monthly format, which comes in multiple different types. So the first type that we offer is the study PDF, where each month's every entire current affair that we provide on our website are compiled and sorted in topic wise order, and this will be sent as detailed content to our paid subscribers drive. This monthly PDF serves the main purpose of current affairs revision of the previous month, and also you can use it in order to save time. Now the monthly question and answer, which contains 500 plus questions, is another version of the monthly PDF that we offer, which covers the entire month's current affairs and static content as well in a question and answer format that is packaged and compiled and sorted topic wise in order to ensure easy access for the aspirants. The pocket PDF is the third type of monthly PDF we offer, where each month's entire current affairs will be efficiently compiled in short and tabular format under the topic wise splitting every month. This pocket PDF is very useful as a ready reckoner, saving valuable time for the aspirants and helps them in revising. As stated above, we offer the PDFs in Hindi as well, in both content as well as question and answer format, because there are many aspirants for whom English is not a proficient language. So in the Hindi PDF, just as above, the question and answer PDF contains 500 plus questions, and each month's Hindi current affairs will also be sent as short content every month. Here also we have provided you sample PDFs, so please make sure you take a look at them. Now, the topic wise PDF is a single PDF which contains all the 12 months current affairs in short and tabular format. Each month we update the current affairs of the current month with the previous month in this topic wise PDF, which will be updated throughout the calendar year. Please make sure you take a look at the sample PDF. Now, a very important PDF that we offer within this monthly PDF package is the current banking awareness PDF, since it focuses on each month's banking, finance and economics related current affairs that may form a major part of the syllabus of aspirants for whom the exam constitutes mainly banking, finance and economy related questions. So it is mainly intended at those aspirants for whom these are the main sections within the syllabus. So this is a very important PDF that we offer within the package. Exam PDF is also a PDF that is offered by Affairs Cloud, the fourth time format version, which will be released on our website 10 days before the exam date. Now, the exam PDF we proudly claim is one of the best options for aspirants in order for their last minute revision. The team at Affairs Cloud specifically prepares the exam PDF keeping in mind the aspirant's exam tension and pressure, and hence we offer you the most value in the least words for your timely revision. Now another question that we get asked is what are the topics in the topic wise current affairs PDF? So we cover the entire current affairs and we split it into 23 topics and given below are these topics. So let me just go over them briefly. We cover topics and we split them into national affairs, government schemes, banking and finance, economy and business, brands and campaign ambassadors, index and rankings, which is usually very important, environment related news, sports news and etc. So which type of PDF should I refer for exam? So this is another question that we get asked, and we offer different types of PDF depending upon the aspirant's approach and requirement. We always recommend that you use the date-wise current affairs content and question and answer PDF for up-to-date current affairs knowledge. Now, as far as revision is concerned, we would recommend our exam PDF and topic-wise PDF. Please make sure that you check out all kinds of PDF and choose the right kind for your preparation. Now, another question is, why do you have to purchase the paid PDF over the free content? I would like to tell you that our team attempts to bring you very well structured and well organized content in our paid PDF plan. We here at Affairs Cloud prepare in the best possible way by organizing and scheduling the contents topic wise, hence providing you suitable info when needed, also in tabular format. We also offer an exam PDF in this package, which is designed keeping in mind the exam tension of the aspirant. We assure you that the money you pay for this plan will justify the aspirant's conviction, approach and requirements. So how do I download the PDF? Once your payment has been successful, you will receive a payment confirmation mail from Affairs Cloud with PDF download link which contains all past months files and your order ID. So please make sure that you enter the correct email ID and mobile number that you have provided. If still you have not received the mail, please contact us at our support mail which is given below, support@affairscloud.com, with your order ID. You'll receive updated PDF to your mail ID on the 5th of every month. Kindly check spam box as well because sometimes it may not get received in the inbox. So another question we get asked is, explain the plan, payment and validity type of the current affairs plan we are offering. The plan type is an year-wise current affairs plan such as current affairs 2020, 2019 or 18. And the validity is 1 year and it only applies to the calendar year of your purchase. So for instance, if you purchase our plan on May of 2020, it will only be valid till December of 2020 but not till May of 2021. So it is valid on the calendar year of your purchase. And the payment, as far as it is concerned, it is a one-time payment for the entire calendar year and there are no monthly payment options, so no need to pay each and every month. But the files that we provide have lifetime validity. Now coming to refund policy, this is non-refundable, but in case of any double payment, any extra amount above the bill amount shall be refunded. You ask us which is the best source for current affairs. At Affairs Cloud, we are proud to tell you that we are one of the best content providers in education industry and we pride ourselves on offering high quality and thoroughly verified content since verification is a very important aspect of current affairs content. Our content of current affairs has been followed by many leading educational sites as well as YouTubers. So coming to the last question, why do we offer as paid PDF? I would like to tell you that our team at Affairs Cloud has been working constantly and tirelessly to provide you valuable content. So we would like to have your support so that we can motivate our team and execute and enhance further projects. Hence we are offering as paid PDFs. Dear aspirants, please take a look at the testimonials that you have provided before proceeding with your purchase and then purchase with confidence, top your exams and learn to lead the nation. Thank you.